Are you tired of clicking around, unable to find the Loom sign-in? Stop guessing. In under 2 minutes, I'll show you the exact clicks to get into your account. We'll walk through signing in with Google, choosing your account, and waiting for your dashboard to load. Let's dive right in. To get started, go ahead and click the Sign In button on the Loom homepage. Then, when the Sign In options appear, choose Log In with Google to continue. Now you'll see a list of Google accounts. Click the one you want to use for Loom. If you have multiple, pick your primary account. Once you've clicked, just wait a couple of seconds while the authentication processes, and you'll be logged into Loom, ready to go. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.